Hello, welcome. In this very short video, I'll be informing of the correct engine oil for the 1996 Ford Aerostar. Now, from what I can gather, originally it was specified that a 5W30 was the correct oil for this vehicle. But according to some sources, this then changed to a 5W20. As from what I can gather, the Ford Motor Company now recommends that 5W20 is used in most Ford vehicles, apart from some vehicles that they have exempted from this, of course. And the reason for the change is that the 5W20 is an improved formulation, and according to testing, this improves fuel consumption without any adverse effects to the engine. But please do go off and do some research of your own and cross-reference what I've said here. I have actually included a couple of links in the description from other areas of the internet, some forums that actually are talking about this kind of topic. So if you do, just check them out and do some cross-referencing of your own before you put any oil in your engine if you're slightly unsure about it. Thank you for watching.